Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your Windows 11 password so that you can log into your Windows 11 without entering any password. So I'm going to show you few different ways in which you can remove your Windows 11 password. So let's see them one by one. So for the first method, you just need to click on the search icon and then search for the settings app. And once the settings app appears here, just click on the settings app and then here go to accounts, and then you just need to scroll down where it says sign in options and click on the sign in options and then click on the password option here. So I'm going to click on the password option, and here you will be able to see this change option. So you can just click on the change option, which will ask you to provide your current Windows 11 password. So just provide your current Windows 11 password and then click on next. And here you can provide your new password. So now here you can leave these two fields, new password and confirm password, as blank, and then you can provide any hint to your password. So as a hint, I'm going to just provide no password here, and then I'm going to just click on next and then click on finish. And once you do that, your Windows 11 password is changed now. So now you just need to log out of your Windows 11 operating system and see if it works or not. So to check this, we are going to just click on our Windows Start icon, and then we are going to click on our user, and then here just click on sign out option, which is going to sign us out of the Windows 11, right? Now this is the login window, and now at this point I can see sign in button here. So I can just click on the sign in button, and as soon as I do that, I will be signed in without entering any password. So now you can see I'm successfully logged into my Windows 11 operating system without entering any password. So this was the first way. Let me show you the second way. And for the second way, you just need to press Ctrl Alt Delete on your Windows 11 operating system. So just press Ctrl Alt Delete key on your Windows 11 operating system, and this is going to show you this kind of window here. Now here you can click on the change a password option, and now here you can provide your old password and then provide your new password. And as the new password, you can leave these two fields as blank, and this means that your password will be set to no password, and this will also allow you to just log in to your Windows 11 operating system without entering any password, right? So you can see I have just clicked on the enter button without entering any password, and then I can click on OK, and this is also going to just remove my password totally, and I can log in without entering any password. Now the third way I will only recommend when the first two methods did not work in your Windows 11 operating system. So this is the method you should only use when the first two methods did not work. And for this, you just need to right click on your Windows Start icon. So right click, not left click, and then click on Computer Management, which is going to open the Computer Management window here. And in here you need to just expand Computer Management here, and then expand System Tools, and here you need to click on Local Users and Groups. So just expand this option and then click on Users, and then from this list you need to choose the user which you have, right? So in my case, I'm logged in with the username CB, right? So I will choose CB option here, and then I can right click on this user and then click on set password, and you can just read this warning here, and it also recommend to change the password using Ctrl Alt Delete or other methods. And if these method didn't work, then you can use this method, right? So just click on proceed here, and then provide the new password. Here you can also leave these fields blank in order to remove your password from your Windows 11 operating system. And this will also allow you to log into your Windows 11 operating system without any password. So these are the few different ways in which you can remove your Windows 11 password and you can log into your Windows 11 without entering any password. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.